How to make $600 per month using Boom and Crash Indices 5-minute scalping strategy. You see, a lot of people have blown their accounts trading Boom and Crash Indices, and one of the reasons is because the market is moving with some unknown directions and patterns that even when you have learned a lot of strategies, still not work. Okay, if you really want to go for trading Boom and Crash, we have a millionaire course on Boom and Crash. It is called Boom and Crash Millionaire Course, okay? Meaning that after you pass through the course, you automatically become a millionaire trading Boom and Crash Indices. Try to get the book anyway. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how really this is possible. It's possible. Like, you can make $600 per day scalping on Boom and Crash Indices. Per month scalping on Boom and Crash Indices. Okay. So how is it going to be possible? Now I'm going to take you to chart, and I'm going to open something like, let's open Crash. Let's open Crash 1000 index. Okay. So look at this. In this strategy, you will only be trading directions because most time spike may not happen. So you will only be trading the directional. Okay, so you have to be in 5 minutes time frame. When you are in 5 minutes time frame, what are you looking for? You are looking for 𝒂𝒑 breakout, like where a loop was broken, but the width of that loop is nearly 0. So we don't like this type of loop, but we can prefer this one. So when we look at this type of loop, the distance between the swing and the path is almost 0. So once a candle open and close outside the loop, you know how to get the right rectangle. You measure the height of the wick in the vicinity, the highest wick, and they use it to draw the rectangle. Okay, so here you catch 2 candles, you close. So every 2 candles you catch on this market, for instance, let's say you catch here, every 2 candles you catch is approximately close to 4 pips. Okay, now when you generate 4 pips, if this 4 pip, if you use one lot size, depending on your starting equity, if you use one lot size, let's assume your starting equity will be able to allow you to use one lot size. So when you use the one lot size, that will be $4 per trade. If you're able to get if you're able to get 3 of these trades in a day, that is $12. Okay, and for 30 days, that is $360. Now, what if you're able to get 6 of it, or 6 of this, or 5 of this? You see that, like, if you can get 5 trades like this every day, and you trade for 1 month, you are going to generate $600. Arithmetical, not geometrical. This is just sequentially in arithmetic progression manner. Okay, you can see that such type of signal is plenty. You see this one, 2 candle, you go. You see this one, 2 candle, you go. You see this one, there is a break, then 2 candle, you go. Even if you start drawing down, you can easily use risk management to apply proper risk management, which means what it is that you allow the market to go back to profit and you close it, because by right it's not supposed to go to loss when you place the trade. So if it goes to loss when you place the trade, immediately you see opportunity to close it in profit. That's the best thing you can do. Then you close it and wait for another one. There is no time to waste. You can see that such type of signal are plenty. You see this one, break, impact, breaking, 0 width. You see, 2 candle, you go. Let's try Crash 300. When it is buying, Actually, you need to also measure the trend at higher time frame. When you know the trend at higher time frame, you can be able to know the direction you should be trading most of the time. Like if the trend is uptrend, I think if the trend is uptrend, I think trading in direction of buying the asset will be the best. Okay, but here we are cash 300. And when you buy direction, but when you sell spike. So I need a situation where there is direction. So we have many loops that we have broken, then two candle you close, many loops broken, two candle you close. If you follow this idea, let's assume you enter this one, then two candle you close, you have generated 16 pips. Okay, if you had to use one if you had to use one lot size, you have made $16. And if you are able to get this type of trade up to 6 times in a day, or let's say even if you get it 3 times in a day, and for a month you are making over $1,000 plus, which is beyond the threshold. Okay, it depends on how you twist it. If you focus on trading, cash 300, you can only get 2 trades. With 2 trades in a day for 30 days, you are making close to over $900. You see, you have to actually practice this on demo account and see how possible it is. And you really need to enroll for our courses to learn more. There are things I don't show here on YouTube until you enroll for the course. Especially this boom and crash millionaire course is actively going on right now, so you have to have access to the course so that you can add more value to your trading. You can also join the VIP group on Boom and Crash Market and make massive profit each time we release signal. Okay. Thank you and bye for now.